Hello children. Have you ever seen a sharp pencil? Can you tell? How does a pencil look like when you view it from different sides? Which is the sharp side of the pencil? And which one is the unsharp side? A pencil when viewed from the sharp side looks like this. And a pencil when viewed from unsharp side looks like this. Did you notice? The same pencil looks different from different sides. That's how our world is designed. If you look at something from one side, it would look different from another side. In this chapter also, we will see how different things will look like when seen from different sides. So, let us start with your Class 3 Mathematics book. We will be starting with the first chapter, which is Where to Look From. In this chapter, we will be seeing how different things look like when viewed from different sides. The chapter begins with the story of a classroom. A teacher was teaching in a class. The teacher gave the students a homework. She told them all to draw a picture of a car and bring it to the class the next day. Students brought their drawings, and interestingly, all of them came up with different drawings. They were surprised to see that everyone drew the picture of a car differently. All the drawings were different, but all the drawings were correct. How were the drawings different but still correct? The drawings were correct because the students were looking at the cars from different sides, and they drew those sides of the car which they saw. There was a kid in the class whose name was Dheeraj. Dheeraj drew the top view of a car, which means Dheeraj saw the car from some height. Dheeraj stood on the rooftop of his house, saw the car from the top and drew the image. Here is the top view of a yellow car. Dheeraj's drawing resembles the top view of this car. There was another kid in the class whose name was Anshul. Anshul drew the side view of a car, which means Anshul saw the car from the side. Anshul was standing on the road. He saw the car passing by and drew the image. Here is the side view of a yellow car. Anshul's drawing resembles the side view of this car. Did you notice the two different views of a car which Dheeraj and Anshul drew? Dheeraj drew the top view of the car, and Anshul drew the side view of the car. Let us now see the images of a car when viewed from different sides. Here are the images of a car when it is viewed from sides. A car when viewed from front looks like this. A car when viewed from back looks like this. And here is the top view of the car. So, children, finally you now know how a car looks like when seen from different sides. Let's see how a table looks like when viewed from different sides. Have you ever seen a table? We all have tables in our homes, schools, and offices. We keep our books on table and are able to read and write easily. So, we can study on a table. Also, we keep our food or snacks on table and we are able to eat properly. A table is of a great use to us. A table contains a plain top and 4 legs. Let's discuss the different views of a table. When we see a table from a height, we are able to see only the plain and rectangle portion of the table. Here is the top view of a table. We are not able to see the legs of the table when we see it from a height. On the other hand, when we see a table from the side, we are able to see only the legs of the table and just a plain thick line above the legs. Here is the side view of a table. Children, can you now draw the different views of a table? Which view is this? This is the top view of a table. A table when viewed from the top appears to be a plain rectangle with no legs. And here is the drawing of this top view of the table. Now, which view of the table is this? This is the side view of a table. Only legs of the table are clearly visible when we see it from the side. And here is the drawing of the side view of the table. Children, that was it for this video. Let us summarize now what all we have learnt in the video. In the video, we learnt that different things look different when viewed from different sides. In the starting of the video, we talked about pencil and how it looks from the sharpened and unsharpened side. Next, we discussed about the car. How does a car look like when it is viewed from different sides? Then came the turn of the table. We discussed how a table looks like when viewed from different sides. Hope you had a great time learning all these things. Want to learn more awesome things? You can learn many things through EduRev Infinity application for Class 3. Go ahead and attempt the tests of this chapter. Watch more videos of the chapter. And check the notes as well. Do not forget to subscribe to EduRev Infinity.